Hey everybody, this is a real quick video in case you have a Maytag range oven and you're getting either an F2, an F3, or an F4 error code, and you're wondering what this is and how can you get rid of it. So all three of these errors have to do with the temperature sensor. The F3 and F4 indicate that there is a fault in the sensor, and the F2 indicates that there's excessive temperature. But if you're not having excessive temperature, then it's very often just because the actual temperature sensor is faulty. So the way to fix all three of these is just to replace the temperature sensor. It's very easy to do. All you need to do is first get the temperature sensor. I'll go ahead and put a link in the description to where you can get a temperature sensor. They're only like 15 bucks. Shipping is free. It's not an expensive piece. And all you need to do once you get it is just unplug your oven, obviously, and then you're going to come around to the back, remove the back panel, and different models it'll be in a little bit different place. Usually it's going to be sort of towards the top right of the oven on the back. You're just going to find this sensor. The probe goes into the oven here, and this wiring is here. So you'll just need to unhook this wire harness here, and then just unscrew this screw here, pull the old probe out, put the new temperature sensor probe in, screw it in, reconnect the wiring, and that's really all there is to it. So if this video helped, if you leave me a like, I'd really appreciate it. Thanks a lot for watching. Have a great day.